What's up mga papi? At dahil nga sobrang impressed tayo sa performance ng XTEP 160X 6.0, nag-decide tayo bumili ulit ng isa pang XTEP shoes, but this time we bought an XTEP Ace for my wife dahil happy wife, happy life. Let's do this!
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
So, nabili natin tong XTEP Ace sa Shopee for a discounted price of 3,039 from the original price of 3,239. So, for those of you na hindi familiar sa XTEP brand, this is a legit Chinese shoe brand na gumagawa ng quality sneakers since 1997. And just like the 160X 6.0, maganda din ang review nitong XTEP Ace online. So, we decided to get one and try it. So, for now, wala pa akong mabibigay na details sa inyo regarding its performance, how comfortable, stable, and kung okay ba ang rebound niya. For this video, all I can share is our own first impression about the shoe and some technical specs which we got from doing our research online. So for starter, this shoe has a nylon plate and is designed for race training. The upper looks light, tough, and breathable, and by the looks of it, mukha naman siyang comfortable and matibay. Yung toe cap din nito is reinforced to protect the wearer's toe. Yung insole niya is 3D printing mold injection in one piece. Signature technology ng XTEP yan, which makes the shoes more resistant to tearing and falling off. It also gives more bounciness to the shoes. It measures 17.5 mm in the front and 24 mm at the heel, which sabi ni XTEP is more compatible with more running methods or running scenarios. The heel difference is 6.5 mm. The forefoot is 4 mm wider, which increases stability. And yung TPU or yung nylon plate is extended to the upper to give the shoe more stability kasi may added lumbar support which makes the shoe heel more stable. So yun, after all those specs, for now, ang masasabi ko lang is that the shoes looks awesome. It looks really premium. The material used for this shoe is of good quality. And for something na 3K lang, this shoe is amazing. How will it fare when we use it for running? Remains to be seen, of course. Pero ngayon pa lang, I have high expectation for the shoes. Ang ganda niya kasi, and sana yung ganda niya can translate to performance when my wife uses it for running. Alright, so that's our first impression of the XTEP Ace 2K shoes. I will just upload another video once ma-experience na ng wife ko itong shoes na to. And hopefully, the experience sana is the same amazing experience as the XTEP 160 6.0. Hintayin nyo na lang yung next upload ko about this shoe, mga papi. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Till the next Boodle. Peace!
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this.